How to cut, grind, and polish with one tool, the angle grinder explained. The angle grinder is one of the most versatile power tools you can own. With the right disc, it can cut, grind, and even polish, all with a single tool. Let's break down how it works and what you can do with it. Cutting. When it comes to cutting, an angle grinder can handle everything from metal pipes and rebar to tiles and stone. For this, you'll use a thin cutting disc. The disc slices through material quickly and cleanly, but remember, let the disc do the work. Pushing too hard can cause binding or premature wear. Grinding. Switching to a grinding wheel transforms the tool into a material remover. This is perfect for smoothing welds, cleaning off rust, or shaping metal. Grinding wheels are thicker and tougher than cutting discs, designed to handle more side pressure. Always hold a steady angle and keep the grinder moving to avoid gouging your workpiece. Polishing. Yes, the same tool can also polish. By swapping in a flap disc or a polishing pad, your angle grinder can refine surfaces, remove scratches, or even shine up stainless steel. With the right attachment, it can also smooth concrete or stone for a cleaner finish. Just remember to use lower pressure and let the disc glide across the surface. Final tip. The angle grinder is like having 3 tools in one. With the right discs, you can cut, grind, and polish almost anything. But always remember safety first. Wear eye protection, gloves, and make sure the disc is rated for the material you're working with. If you're seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever a new video drops. For more information on power tools, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.